And today we're going to talk about calculator operations. Today is the 9th, and again our topic for today is calculator operations, and my page number is 21. Okay. So here we have our learning target. It says I can use the TI-84 calculator to perform mathematical calculations, and our essential question is what are some basic calculator skills? Okay, so we have basic calculator functions, and we're going to fill in the keystroke needed to perform each of these items on the calculator. Each separate keystroke is written in a box to help you keep track of each keystroke needed. So let's say you want to turn on your calculator. Okay, you're going to hit the button that says on. Very simple, right? If you want to turn off the calculator, you're going to hit second. So there's a button that says 2ND. And then you're going to hit on. Okay, so it's basically saying the blue lettering, that's what we're highlighting right now. And so above the on button, there's a blue lettering that says off. To clear the RAM, you're going to put second plus number 7, 1, and 2. Okay. To clear the home screen, you're just simply going to hit the button that says clear. To make a negative number, you're going to it's going to be right next to the decimal, where the button has a parentheses, and inside the parentheses we have like a little negative. Okay. To enter a fraction, you're actually going to hit a green button that says alpha. Once you hit that, you're going to hit the button that says y equals, and then a list should come up, and you should pick the first one, so you can just put enter after that. Enter. If you want to change the decimal to a fraction, this is what you will do. You'll have your number, your decimal number, and then you're going to push the button that's math. And then you're going to push one that says, on the screen, it has like a 1, and then like a little arrow that says FRAC for fraction. And then once you have that, you can hit enter. And that's the end of the box. Okay. To square a number, you're going to simply push the number that you have, and then there's a button that has an x squared. Or you can do like a little caret, which the caret is above the division sign, and you have a 2. Okay, so it'll be exponent 2. To get back to the home screen, you are going to do second, and then mode. To take a square root of a number, you're going to push second, and then x squared, that little button that has the x squared on it. To change a number back to standard decimal notation, so standard form, from scientific notation, there's different ways to do it. So let's actually do not standard form, let's actually do scientific form. So we will have that number that you have, second, a little comma, and then the number of your exponent. And then you will hit enter. Okay, you can do that, or you can have like your regular standard notation, and then you can push like have your regular standard number, and then push mode, and then select the one that says scientific instead of normal. To enter a pi, you're just going to put second, and then you will have like the little caret, because above the caret in blue letters is a pi. Okay. So for the fraction menu, when you hit alpha, and y equals, when you hit the fraction menu, 4 things are going to come up. You're either going to have a n divided by d, un divided by d, this notation right here, and then f, and then with little arrows to d. Okay, so the first one will be used to enter a fraction. So it will be basically a little form that has a little box, and then you can fill in numbers in those boxes. Okay. The second one will be you can enter a mixed number. So the form will look like this. You'll have the big number and then a fraction with 2 little numbers, and then you can put numbers into those boxes. Okay. Number 3 is going to be used to change between improper fractions and mixed numbers. So you can go from this improper fraction to this mixed number, and it will change it between those two. If you write in that mixed number and you hit alpha y equals and then the number 3, you're going to get the 8/3 instead of the 2 2/3. Okay. And the last option for the fraction menu is going to be from fraction converted to a decimal. So basically you'll have the option of getting a fraction and then changing it to a decimal. And same thing with if you begin with a decimal, you can change it into a fraction. Okay. All right. So I know for those of you that are at home, maybe you might not have a TI-84. So I'm okay if you use whichever calculator that you have. You don't have to do number 1, and that's pretty much it. So all the other ones you're able to do on a regular calculator, either on your phone or the Desmos calculator. Online. Okay, so for your assignment for today, you're going to take a picture of either the answers, or if you want to write out the question with the answer, that will be perfect as well. Okay, so you can start at number 2 and then go 3, 4, 5 with all the answers. Okay, and that's what you will turn in for your assignment today.